Hi, Kevin here. Well, today we're going to fix some homemade blue cheese dressing. Now, I love blue cheese dressing. I love it on salads. I love it as a dipping sauce for French fries and onion rings and crudité. But I especially love blue cheese dressing as a spread for a hamburger. Who needs ketchup, right? Anyway, the sauce is super simple to make. I'm going to make mine in a food processor, and I'll go over the ingredients as we use them. All right, the first ingredient is a half cup of buttermilk, and I am using whole milk buttermilk. That's a half cup. Let's pour it right into the food processor. Then need a half cup of some good quality mayonnaise. I'm using Hellmann's mayonnaise. You might prefer Duke's or some other mayonnaise. Then we need the juice from half of one lemon. And I'm going to squeeze my lemon in this little lemon squeezing gadget. That's about 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then need a splash of Worcestershire sauce. It's about, well, that much. It's about half a teaspoon. Then you need either 1 clove of garlic, and you want to dice that up, or more convenient, you could use 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. In it goes. And then the seasonings are just salt. I'm using kosher salt, a good sized pinch. And then a somewhat smaller pinch of black pepper. Okay, then going to run the machine just until the ingredients are nice and smooth. That's it. Now for the blue cheese. So what I have here is 6 ounces of blue cheese. Now this is called Ewes Blue. It comes from sheep's milk. And here's my knife. What you do is just cut it into thick slabs. You can't even see. Let me move you down. Yeah, just cut it into thick slabs and then coarsely crumble it. Hope you can see all right. Let me zoom in a little. Just coarsely crumble the blue cheese into the food processor. And then we will be pulsing the machine because we want the we don't want to pulverize the blue cheese. We just want to break it up a bit more. In other words, we want a fairly chunky blue cheese dressing, or at least that's how I like my blue cheese dressing. Okay. Blue cheese is very sticky on the hands. Okay, now I'm going to pulse the machine and clean up the mess I just made. Yeah, pulse the machine a few times. Neatness counts. Let's have a look. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yeah, so you can see the bits of blue cheese in there. All right, now I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. Hold on. All right, now before I transfer the dressing to the bowl, I'm going to give it a little taste just to make sure it doesn't need anything. No, it's perfect. Whoa, really good. All right. Now, as you can see, it's thin enough for salad dressing, but it's too thin for a dipping sauce or as a spread for a hamburger. So I'm going to show you how to thicken it up in just a moment. Get all of this goodness out of here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is thicken up the sauce with some sour cream, about 2 tablespoons of it. Stir up the sour cream. There's 1, 2, and then just stir this in, and the sauce will become rich and thick right away. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to add some parsley. This is fresh minced parsley. What is this, about, I don't know, it's about a teaspoon or so. And then stir that in. You can also use parsley as a garnish. Going to put a garnish on right now. Okay, now let me grab some vegetables and we can have an official taste. All right, so I've just put together a very simple crudité platter with carrot sticks and celery sticks and broccoli florets. Now, I'm going to try this out on a carrot stick. Look at how thick this is. It's absolutely delicious. So much better than store-bought. And I really love the taste from that little dash of Worcestershire sauce that we added to the dressing. This could very well be my dinner tonight. In fact, it probably should be my dinner tonight. Okay, I wanted to show you a very popular brand of store-bought blue cheese dressing. And shall I tell you what's in the list of ingredients? I need my glasses here. Here we go. Soybean oil, water, distilled vinegar, blue cheese, that's good, salt, sugar, modified cornstarch, palm oil, sodium and calcium casinates, propylene glycol something or other, lactic acid, and the list goes on and on and on. Whereas homemade blue cheese dressing contains, what, 8 ingredients? 10 if you count the salt and pepper. So I hope you will give this homemade blue cheese dressing a try someday. Really, it only takes 5 minutes to make, and it's totally delicious, totally worth your time. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Okay, I'm back because I forgot to tell you that I will put the list of ingredients in the description box below. All right, again, thank you for watching. But please let me know if you might try this blue cheese dressing. Okay, bye for now.